Hello, everyone. Today we will be talking about 10 interesting facts about parrot. But before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's dive in. Number 1. They can mimic other birds. You may already know that parrots are known for their ability to copy other birds' calls, but did you know that they can also mimic their songs? Researchers have found that gray parrots are capable of copying songs of other birds in their habitat. It seems that they do this to communicate with each other, but it is also possible that they do it for other reasons. For example, they could be doing it to attract mates or scare off predators. Gray parrots can copy the songs of many different birds, and they seem to learn new songs easily. This makes them very unique and interesting creatures. And if you want to see a parrot try to copy a rooster's crow, check out the video at the end of this video. Number 2. There are over 390 species of parrots in the world. That's a lot of parrots. They come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny bujaraga to the huge hyacinth macaw. But no matter what size they are, all parrots have one thing in common. They are all very social animals and live in groups. Parrots are found in tropical and subtropical regions around the world, and they are especially common in South America, Africa, and Asia. They are also popular pets because they are intelligent, playful, and can be taught to talk. There are many different types of parrots, but some of the most popular include budgies, cockatiels, Amazons, African greys, and macaws. Each type has its own unique look and personality. So if you're thinking about getting a parrot as a pet, be sure to do your research to find the right one for you. With proper care, a parrot can live for many years, so it's important to be prepared. 3. They only eat plants. Parrots are well known for their colorful feathers and their ability to mimic human speech. However, not many people know that these birds are herbivores. Their diet consists entirely of plants, including fruits, flowers, seeds, and nuts. In their native habitats, parrots play an important role in seed dispersal. When they eat fruit, they swallow the seeds and then poop them out in other areas. This helps to spread plants around and ensure their survival. In addition to their plant-based diet, parrots also need plenty of fresh water to stay healthy. In the wild, they get this from sources like rivers, lakes, and ponds. But when they're kept as pets, it's up to their owners to provide it for them. Just like any other animal, if parrots don't have access to clean water, they can become dehydrated and sick. Why it's so important to give them a shallow dish of water that they can dip their beaks into. With proper care, parrots can live long and happy lives. Number 4. They can be dangerous. Despite their small size, parrots can be dangerous animals. They have strong, sharp beaks that they use to crack open nuts and seeds. They also have sharp talons that they use to grip branches and other objects. And while they are usually docile creatures, they can become aggressive if they feel threatened or cornered. Parrots are wild animals and should be treated with respect. If you ever encounter a parrot in the wild, do not try to touch or feed it. Keep your distance and enjoy watching it from afar. If a parrot does attack you, protect your head and face with your arms and try to stay calm. The parrot will eventually become bored and fly away. Number 5. They lay eggs. While most people think of parrots as being born fully grown, the truth is they start out life as just another egg. Like all birds, parrots lay eggs. However, unlike most other birds, they don't build nests. Instead, they often find holes in trees or abandoned woodpecker holes to use as nests. Once a parrot lays an egg, she will sit on it for about 28 days until it hatches. During this time, the male parrot will guard the nest and bring the female food. Once the chicks are born, both parents will take turns looking after them. Baby parrots are called fledglings. They are born with downy feathers that help keep them warm. Fledglings are dependent on their parents for food and care for about 6 to 8 weeks. After that, they are ready to leave the nest and start exploring the world on their own. Seeing a baby parrot take its first flight is truly a sight to behold. If you're lucky enough to witness this, consider yourself truly blessed. Number 6. Parrots mate for life. Unlike many other animals, parrots typically mate for life. This means that once a parrot forms a bond with a partner, they will stay together for the rest of their lives. In the wild, parrots will typically find a mate in their early adulthood. The pair will then choose a nesting site and raise their young. Male parrots are often responsible for guarding the nest, while the female parrot incubates the eggs. Then once the eggs hatch, both parents will care for the chicks until they are old enough to fend for themselves. In captivity, parrots can live for many years. This means that a bonded pair of parrots can spend decades together. With proper care, a parrot's lifespan can be extended even further. If you're lucky enough to have a bonded pair of parrots, you should consider yourself very fortunate. It's not often that you get to see such a strong bond between two animals. Number 7. They are endangered. Many parrot species are endangered due to habitat loss, poaching, and the pet trade. Some of the most endangered parrots include the kakapo, the Hawaiian crow, and the red-crowned Amazon. The kakapo is a flightless parrot found only in New Zealand. There are only about 150 kakapus left in the wild today. The Hawaiian crow, also known as the malamula, is found only in Hawaii. There are fewer than 500 individuals left in the wild. The red-crowned Amazon is a medium-sized parrot found in the forests of South America. Its population has declined by more than 50% in the last 20 years. All three of these parrots are threatened by extinction. But there are things that we can do to help protect them. By supporting organizations that work to conserve parrot habitat and combat poaching, we can make sure that these amazing birds stick around for generations to come. We can also do our part to reduce our own impact on the environment. By making simple changes like reducing our use of pesticides and conserving water, we can help create a healthier planet for all wildlife, including parrots. Number 8. They are good at solving problems. You may be surprised to learn that parrots are actually quite good at solving problems. They are actually one of the few animals that are capable of using tools. For example, they have been observed using sticks to extract insects from tree bark. They are also able to figure out how to open bird feeders, and have even been known to turn on television sets. In one study, researchers found that gray parrots were able to figure out how to open a box with a sliding lid in order to get to a reward. They were also able to transfer objects from one container to another in order to get them out. These are impressive problem-solving skills for any creature, let alone a bird. So next time you see a parrot, remember that they are not just pretty to look at. They are actually very intelligent creatures with a lot of skills. Number 9. Parrots can go blind. As parrots get older, they can develop cloudy eyes that make it difficult for them to see. This condition is called cataracts. Cataracts are also common in humans and can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetics, age, and exposure to toxins. Symptoms of cataracts in parrots include cloudiness or haziness in the eye, difficulty seeing, and changes in behavior. If you notice any of these symptoms in your parrot, it is important to take them to the vet right away. Treatment for cataracts in parrots is still experimental, but there are some things you can do at home to help your bird. Make sure they have plenty of fresh water and food and provide them with a safe and comfortable place to perch. With proper care, your parrot can live a long and happy life, even if they do go blind. Number 10. They can live for a long time. Parrots are known for their intelligence, playfulness, and ability to mimic human speech. But did you know that they can also live for a long time? With proper care, some parrot species can live for 50 years or more. This means that a parrot could potentially outlive its owner. It's important to remember that parrots are a long-term commitment. If you adopt a parrot, you are responsible for providing it with food, water, and veterinary care for its entire life. You should also be prepared to provide your parrot with plenty of toys and enrichment so that it does not get bored. A bored parrot can be a destructive parrot. Be sure to do your research and make sure you are prepared to care for a parrot before you bring one home. With proper care, your parrot will be a loving and loyal companion for many years to come. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Have a great day.